Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing a box that it's been a long time since we've seen on my channel. They've gone through some growing pains, but it seems like they've kind of found a format that works for them. This is the first box in the new format, and I'm really excited to see how it goes. So this is the sports crate. If you've seen my previous unboxings on this, it used to be a monthly box. They had about 10 of the MLB teams represented. So as you can see, my box is the Yankee box. But you can get other MLB teams, whatever team you root for. I think they have 10. They might have more now. I haven't checked the website recently. But I know that they also, so they were monthly. Now they are every other month. So you don't get a box every month. It's every other month. And the price point is $29.99. It's a little more expensive than a usual monthly box, but you only get it every other month. It's MLB licensed items. So these are all licensed to whatever team you pick. So that's really awesome. In my mind, Yankee, paraphernalia or items or collectibles or anything that has MLB on it for the Yankees is super expensive. So I was really excited last year when I was opening up my boxes. I got t-shirts, I got tons of stuff, an apron, little figures. The figures weren't the best. The articulation was kind of crappy, which, for baseball figures, you want something, if it's going to be an action type figure that you can pose, you want it to actually pose like a baseball player. You want to be able to make it crouch or kind of lean or something. And those figures fell short. They did retool them. I did get the updated articulated figures towards the end. Like they just held them back from the box and then shipped them months later. But it was just too long to film those unboxings and show you the new figures. And personally, I didn't really notice much of a change except that they didn't snap apart. Which, at the bare minimum, an action figure should not snap apart when you try to move it. That's minimum. So I didn't really see much improvement except that they didn't fall apart. So I'm hoping now that with the change to every other month and the different price point, and pretty much just it seems like they have a better grasp on what we want as the consumer. So I'm hoping this box is good. This is the December box. So this was their holiday themed box, and it was the first box for the new iteration of Sports Crate. I believe they call it now, it's the MLB Diamond Crate. Because, again, if you aren't a fan of baseball, but you are a fan of basketball, they now have an NBA Courtside crate. So I'm not really sure what teams are on there, but you can go check it out. I'm going to link it in the description below. You can see maybe they have, your NBA team there, and you can get, again, licensed collectibles, t-shirts, all different goodies for your specific team. Okay? So let's open this up. This is the December holiday sports crate, and let's see if much has changed. Like I like the previous box. The only thing I didn't like was the figures. They were really crappy. So this is what you're gonna see when you open it up. Okay, right off the bat, I think I see a figure. So dun dun dun. All right. So first up, let's view the wearable. Ooh, all right. So this is the holiday themed crate. So I can see right away this is a holiday themed shirt. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's a long sleeve. Look at this. Yes, I love it. Oh man, I wish I'd opened this sooner. I don't care if the holidays are over. I will rock this anyway. This is really nice. Good quality. And it is a Sports Crate limited edition. Says right there. Oh, this is very nice. I like that. New York Yankees. Woo! I love that design. Very cool. All right, and I love that it's long sleeve. That definitely ups the value. Ooh, we have another wearable. Again, nice. Look at these gloves. Again, look, MLB licensed. These are Yankee gloves. Oh, so nice. I love wearing gloves. I always get cold. My hands and my feet constantly freezing. I cannot be without gloves in the winter, especially here in New York. Oh, these are very nice. This is embroidered in. Very nice. Ooh, all right. Let's open that. See how they fit. Ooh, very nice. I like these. Oh, that's nice. I like these a lot. These are going to be great if I go to a game and it's chilly or something. Totally rock that. Love it, love it. All right, and let's just go for the figure because that's the next biggest item here. All right, it's wrapped up in bubble wrap, nicely protected. Ooh, maybe too well protected. Let's cut this tape a little. Hard to get to. All right, I took off the bubble wrap. It's a little banged up here. Ooh, maybe this is not an action figure. It looks like it's a mug. Yep, it says, Yankees, as the weather cools down this holiday season and the hot stove starts warming up, you can use this mug for your fresh hot cocoa as you sit by the fire and prepare your scouting reports for next season. Which is fine because it's still freezing here. Alright, so here is our mug. Ooh, this is nice. And it's like a raised pattern. You can't really tell, but you can feel it. It's raised. And it's on both sides. I like that. I hate when mugs have the design only on one side, and then like you always have to try to like drink a certain way. Like I have the Batman like color change mug that I got from Loot Crate, but the bat signal's only on this side. So sometimes if I'm drinking with my right, it doesn't show. It just shows Gotham, and if it's hot, the ha 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 is from the Joker. So I'm kind of like, man, I always have to try to remember to hold it in this arm, you know. So yeah, I like that the design is on both sides. It's simple, classic. Oh, it says, you see right there, it says Yankees on the handle. That is very nice. See, oh look, in the close-up you can see how it's like embossed looking, like it's raised. I love this, very nice. All right, so I really like the mug. Then next thing we have is, it looks like some kind of sticker. Or a decal maybe to put on the car. Short Sport, it says. I can't really tell if it's just a regular sticker, but again, it is MLB license. You can see it right there from the little MLB sticker. So yeah, that's cute. Okay, and that's pretty much it in the box. So yeah, celebrate your holiday, elevate your fandom. So MLB Holiday Crate, and it says here, you can see on the, let me show you a zoom of the spoiler card. So you can see on the spoiler card they have other teams. You know, like the Chicago Cubs, they have the Red Sox, all different. And pretty much every box gets the same stuff. It's just with your team's logo and licensing. So we got the gloves, we got the mug, we got the decal. It is a decal. And then we got the holiday shirt. Very, very cool. So it says, each season ends, but fandom never does. Hells yeah, I'm a Yankee fan all year round. All right, so that's our sports crate. This is the December 2018 sports crate, MLB Diamond crate. So like I said, now they have the NBA Courtside crate. So that, you know, if you're a basketball fan, that's for you. Baseball fans, you know, line up right here. I don't know if they're going to do any football or other kinds of sports, but either way, you know, if these go well, they might decide to do that. So I really like this box. This is definitely worth the price. So $29.99, and you got all this stuff licensed, mind you. Like, you always have to remember, this is MLB licensed items. I don't know if this shirt is MLB licensed. Oh yeah, it is. As I say it, the sticker's right there in front. So yeah, everything is MLB licensed. So, official licensed sports items. Definitely worth the price. Like, a shirt like this at the Yankee store would probably be $30 by itself. That's how ridiculous the prices are because it's like long sleeves. So yeah, for $29.99, this is perfect. I'm getting all my Yankee gear, anything that I would like. You know, I got gloves, I got a mug, I got a decal to put on my car, and this awesome, awesome long sleeve shirt. So yeah, I'm really happy this month. I believe the next box, it's every other month. So this was December, so I should be getting it sometime this month, February. So I'm hoping, you know, that should be interesting. I don't know what the theme was. I think it's season opener, something like that. I wish they would put like what the themes were in, you know, like the next upcoming theme. I wish they put it in the little spoiler, but I think it's like opening season opener. I think that might be for February's theme. But yeah, so this is our MLB Diamond crate from Sports Crate. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're interested, I'm going to link it down below. You can check it out yourself. Oh, another thing with this crate is if you do an annual subscription, you sign up for the entire year, you are also signed up to possibly get a golden ticket. If you get a golden ticket in your box, that means that you won like an extra like collectible, like or high value collectible or experience, like going to Yankee Stadium and doing something, going to a game or meeting a person. Like they had all these different golden ticket items that you could have won if you signed up for last year, the whole season. This year, if you sign up, they do it again. But I think if you go month to month, you're not eligible to get a golden ticket, I believe. Okay, so that's the main difference between getting the annual subscription and the month to month. So like I said, $29.99 every other month, and I really like it. So check it out. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And bye bye for now.